Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. We've got lots of exciting things in our showroom, which you can view on our website, alphacars.com. But the subject of this video is this 2021 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription. This low mileage Volvo has only 24,000 original miles, and it has over $4,000 in factory options on top of the already very premium and well-equipped Inscription Trim. So in this video, we're going to do a complete condition overview of this Volvo, as it is for sale here at AlphaCars Motorcycles at the date of this video posting. As we take a peek in the interior, you can view all of the detailed information about this vehicle, including the Carfax report, window sticker, the remaining tire and brake life, even the individual paint thickness readings on each panel. All of that's on the online listing on alphacars.com, which is always linked at the top of the description. We do offer vehicle transportation as well, so keep that in mind even if you're not local. But with all that being said, let's get into the video. First, we'll start on the exterior of the Volvo. And it is all factory original paint on the metal panels. We did confirm through our thorough evaluation and paint thickness readings. The paint condition is exceptional on this Volvo, and it's only one previous owner, and they very meticulously serviced it through the Volvo dealer, as you can see on the Carfax report. Now going around the Volvo, let's get a little more in depth here. Check out the gloss in the clear coat, and going down the panels on the driver's side at this angle, we can see if there's any irregularities in how the light reflects, and all we're seeing is a row of very nice Royal Enfield motorcycles in the reflection. But on this driver's side, I'm not finding any considerable blemishes or dings or anything like that. Let's check out the windshield condition. Windshield condition looks good. And now moving on to the hood, that same glossy appearance. Couple bits of maybe a rock chip or two here and there from the light highway usage. And there's a little bit of a shadow from the motorcycle mirror just on the paint there, as we have some sunshine coming through. And at the front of the Volvo, it does present really nice. There's a few evidences of the highway use, a little bit of the rock pitting here and there, but it's very, very light and really not noticeable unless you're in just the right lighting and angle. Let's look at these wheels now. Some nice Pirelli Scorpion tires on them. This driver's side front wheel looks excellent. Driver's side rear wheel now. This one also looks really nice. There's a little bit of cosmetic blemishes just here, and there's a little bit right here as well, but purely cosmetic. This Volvo drives beautifully down the road. Now moving on to the passenger rear wheel. This one is looking excellent. Even look at the finish on that caliper there, nice and silver, looking factory fresh. And now at the front passenger side, yeah, this wheel looks excellent as well. So it seems like it was only that one wheel I showed that had a little bit of the cosmetic blemishes on it. Let's get into the cargo area. One-touch operation. And as we check out the storage space, this car has a few different options for the factory mats there. That's if the seats are folded down. I believe you can extend the cargo area and put those over it. But even with the third row seating up, I mean, there's still an impressive amount of room back here. Peeking in, it's a little dark in there being in the showroom. We will take a look at it from the other side. And to lower the tailgate, it's just one touch operation. And the plate is on there a little loose, which is why you heard the rattle. There's no rattles, that's just the plate there. The car itself is very nice. And I forgot to just go down this passenger side here. So just before we get to the rest of the interior, we can see we've got the very nice reflection of the BMW 640 M Sport convertible just next to it. That's also on our website. And yeah, this side's looking good. I don't see anything major. There's maybe the little paint imperfection just right there. But other than that, it's looking good. Well, now let's open it up. We've got these individual captain's chairs in the back. Of course, this is the 6-seater version, which is why it has these. And yeah, plenty of room for all your passengers, even that third row. There's a lot of room back there. We can fold our seat forward here, and it even pushes forward to allow the easy loading in and out of the back. But all the seating surfaces look great. You can see the headliner looks great as well. And the this door panel looked really nice. Let's just take a peek in the back from this side. And everything here presents the same, but even look at the back sill plates. They have the illumination around there. Awesome wood trim. And when the vehicle's on, you've got the control panel here for the climate control back here. And even the rear heated seats as well. This car is really highly kitted with the rear heated seats. It has a heated steering wheel as well. And now that we've thoroughly seen the rear of the vehicle, the rear of the interior, let's work our way into the front here. Highly adjustable seats. These seats are so comfortable. And the surfaces up here look great. I don't see any abnormal wear in the material. Dashboard condition looking awesome. Even has the memory seat options there for the passenger. And yeah, this door panel is looking good. And now let's get over to the driver's side. Now opening the driver's door. Same treatment over here, memory seat options. Let me get the camera a bit more wide angle to help us out with the viewing angle. And yeah, this door panel's looking good. Once again, this seat is looking excellent. The driver's seat, nothing abnormal, no wear and tear. Looks really, really nice. And I still have that seat folded back down there, but the headliner looks excellent. Let's hop in, shut the door, and we can turn on the ignition. You can see there in the bottom left, 24,317 miles. And yeah, the condition of everything over here looks nice. Can open up our storage. And I'll show you the operation of the sunshade. So always make sure, no matter how nice the vehicle is, just always make sure these functions work. There we go. And we can open up the sunroof itself, which works smooth, and as you would expect. Excellent. And we are in the showroom, but I will start it briefly. Starts right up, says its little self-check thing, and everything's all happy. And you can see the heated steering wheel is on there. And if we go into the seat menu, this even has the ventilated seats, which are awesome. And there's all the heating functions here, easy to use. And even 3 different levels of the steering wheel heating. So all sorts of cool items there. And we just twist our little ignition button there to turn it off. I do want to note on the steering wheel, there's one little imperfection right here on the steering wheel. Other than that, the steering wheel looks excellent. And on the silver trim right here, you can see it is delaminating just a little right where my finger is. So I do want to disclose that. Lastly, on the Volvo, we will pop the hood and go under here. It has the nice pneumatic struts there. So you can open it one-handed. And yeah, everything is nice and clean and orderly under here. Not a whole lot to say or show, as it's pretty much in the new vehicle condition under here. And now let's get the hood back down. So I want to thank you for watching this condition overview of the Volvo XC90. If you have any additional questions, reach out to our sales team at 978-263-9000. Don't forget, we offer vehicle transportation as well if you aren't local. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Leave a like on the video if it was helpful, and subscribe for future motoring content.